Do you own a motorcycle? Do you like to save money? Then this channel is for you. Hey, I'm known as the Motorcycle Boss. I've worked at motorcycle dealerships and worked as an independent motorcycle mechanic for years. I've owned 4 motorcycles, and my girlfriend and I do all of our own maintenance. I like to ride, and I like to drink. But more importantly, I like to teach.
All the answers are here, right?
I've been burned by mechanic shops and dealerships in the past, charging insane prices for simple work. So I created this channel to help you, the viewer, save money and learn more about your bike as well as the tools to get the job done. I'm not a motovlogger, yet, nor do I post daily or even weekly for that matter. But when I do post, you can bet that there will be some useful information. It doesn't matter if you ride a Harley, a dirt bike, or even a trike. We all want to save money, have fun, and stay safe. This is my way of giving back to the motorcycle community. One video at a time. So join me, be your own boss, and let's keep our bikes away from this dealership as much as possible so we can lay down more miles in the saddle.